Hello, my name is Julia and I'm a guide here at Monterey State Historic Park. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to make Adobe brick. Adobe brick was the primary building construction material in early California from the late 1700s to the mid 1800s. It really was the building blocks of California society. The ingredients are very simple. We have water, soil, sand, and straw. Now, traditionally, these ingredients would be mixed in a really large pit to be able to make thousands of Adobe bricks, but we're going to be doing it on a much smaller scale today. The first step is adding water to your soil. This really forms the basis of your Adobe brick, much like water and flour in a baking project. We want this base of the Adobe to be a nice thick paste, not too dry or not too wet. Next, we will add some straw. The straw helps hold the brick together, much like rebar in concrete. Lastly, we add the sand. The sand gives the clay in the dirt something to stick to and makes it a solid Adobe brick. If it didn't have sand, the brick could warp. If there's too much sand, the brick can crack. Now, with all of our ingredients properly mixed, we are ready to put it into our wooden frame. The mold we have here is smaller than a traditional mold. They typically would have been about 11 by 22 inches. Now we'll let it sit for 30 minutes before lifting the frame. Now that it's been 30 minutes, we can remove our frame. When it came time for building, dried Adobe bricks would be stacked using wet Adobe mixture as mortar. It would take upwards of 5,000 bricks to create a single-room Adobe home. The two-story Pacific house took 30,000 bricks. What a big project that would be. Now that you know what it takes to make an Adobe brick, consider the time and effort that went into constructing the early buildings of Monterey. These buildings still stand to help tell the story of life in early California. Thank you for watching.